Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to use OBS on Omegle 2024. Actually, the short answer is you cannot use OBS on Omegle because Omegle has stopped their service since 2023. If you go to that Omegle website, you can see that. If you go to Omegle website, you can see. Guys, here you can see that Omegle has been disabled from 2023. It has been started in 2029 to 2023. Okay, so you cannot use Omegle right now. It has been off their services. Okay, guys, so I'm sorry to say that you cannot use Omegle with OBS anymore. So if you find this information helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.